Hey everybody, Justin here with Ultrabrightlightz, and today I'm going to give you an overview of the U-Lite 600 stick. This light features our patented U-Lite optic, which is a 40-degree optic and patches a really great punch, especially through a window tint. Included with the light stick is a dedicated controller, which allows you to turn the light on and off, change the flash pattern, and also operate the directional patterns and the traffic advisor built into the light. There's also a heads-up display that shows you which pattern is on, so you don't have to get out of the vehicle and see it. It connects with a cigarette lighter plug, or you can hardwire either the cigarette lighter plug or the entire light stick by cutting off either the plug or cutting off the wire here between the controller and the light, and then you can hardwire the light to any external controller, and that will still allow you to operate all the functions, and it also gives you a second mode that you can operate. On that second mode, you can set a different color and a different flash pattern. By different color, I mean single or dual color, and you can change that between each mode. So you can have single color on one mode and dual color on the second mode. Included with the controller is a mount, so you can easily mount it to your dashboard or your console, just like so. That allows you to remove the controller if you need to, or if you want to permanently mount it, the holes here will fit screws that you can secure again to your dashboard or your console. There's also double stick tape, which you can use directly onto the controller or onto the bracket, which again will allow you to remove the controller if you want that option. Mounting light is easy, and there's a sliding channel on the back that includes bolts, which you can then attach to some brackets that we sell separately, such as the UBL large L bracket that I have here. That will work really well in the back window of SUVs and trucks. It's going to mount to your headliner and give you a lot of clearance and allow you to mount the light pretty low, just like that. If you don't want to use these bolts, there's two holes on either end where you can mount any sort of other bracket, maybe something like our Z bracket or our small L bracket that we have available on our website. If you don't want to use these bolts, simply remove the end cap. I recommend removing the one where the wire doesn't attach to, because the wire does block the channel. So remove the end cap on the opposite end, and these bolts will slide off, and you don't have to use them. In the unlikely event you have an issue with one of these modules, they are field serviceable. Remove these stickers and you can unscrew these modules and they pop out and they unplug, and we can send you replacements. If the unlikely event that a module goes out, you can do that yourself. The cigarette lighter cable is about 3 feet long. The wiring harness between the controller and the light is about 10 feet, so it gives you about 13 feet of wiring between the light and the power source that you'll need to get power from your light. If you do remove the cigarette lighter plug, we always recommend you add in your own fuse. There is a fuse built into the cigarette lighter plug, so once you remove the cigarette lighter plug, there is no fuse. To change the colors with the controller, simply triple tap the pattern changer. That will allow you to rotate between single and dual color, as well as interwoven color. So if you see here, I'm on dual color. If I tap it 3 more times, I now have alternating different, it's gonna vary by pattern, but you're gonna have alternating interwoven colors of red and white flashing at the same time. And if I tap it 1 more time, I get now every other module. I tap it 1 more time, I now get single color white. And 1 more time, I will get single color red. And I tap it again and go back to my dual color patterns. So these will all flash slightly differently depending upon which pattern it is. And also keep in mind, if you have different colors, if you get a blue-white dual color module, it's going to look different than this red-white one here, of course. So that is it. That is the U-Lite 600 stick. If you have any other additional questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.